the Emporium. I like how their gym has no windows, it's all open air. All that fresh air getting in there when you're working out, otherwise you'd be awesome. That brings open concept to a whole new level right there. Corvus Sports Gym. Unimento Corporation Universitaria Mito de Dios. Something to do with the university. Alright, I'm getting tired. Let's find our way back to the hotel. Hotel, motel, colonial inn. It's this way. Pucamalanga, 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 Pucamalanga. Oh, there's motorcycles. Motorcycles, motorcycles everywhere, motorcycles. I don't see any F-150s. Where are all the F-150s? Nobody drives now. Oh, there's a truck, kinda. Let's go this way. You guys hear that? What is that sound? Beep boop, beep boop, beep boop. Buenos. This looks like a pretty good looking supermarket. We'll come in here another day, but it looks like they've got a good variety of stuff in here. It's pretty big. Signora Bucamalanga. It. This is cool. It's a tunnel under the street. I wouldn't come here in the middle of the night. Let's just say that. Looks safe now, but oh, little puppy. Kitty cat. Meow. Buenos. She probably just want to talk to me in here or anywhere, but especially in here. Although you are supposed to say hi to each other in Colombia when you go onto an elevator. Apparently it's normal to like greet everybody when you get on the elevator in Colombia, and then when you get off of the elevator in Colombia, it's also like polite to say goodbye to everybody. So that's pretty different than Canadian culture and American culture. ¿Cómo estás? Yeah. Good. Buenas noches. This looks pretty nice. A dog park? Not a dog park, there's lots of doggies here. It's like a secret spot. Like unlocked or something. Whole new level. Look at this, look at all these cute little doggies. Wow. Hello. Hello. You want to be on camera? Say hi, YouTube. Hola. Buenos. Yeah, you want to be on TV too, baby? Oh, that's a cool little cutie. It's okay, I'm really friendly. Can't tell if it's wagging its tail or not. It's so small. Maybe this is their version of a Muskoka chair. I'd sit in it and test it out for you guys, but it's pretty wet. I'm not sure if I want to sit on that. So let me get this straight. We went a tunnel under the street and we came up to here, and now we're going to go up this bridge out of here over another street? I guess so. Do 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 do. Bucamalanga, Bucamalanga. This bridge looks solid. My arm is getting tired from holding this phone up. I think it's around rush hour right now in Bucaramanga. I'm not sure exactly, maybe like 5:30 or so. Maybe earlier. Security guard on the bridge. Yes. Yo hablo Spencer. Yeah, ¿cómo estás?
Bien.
Bien. Gracias, amigo. Spencer. Yo hablo Spencer. My name is. What is your name?
Apellido Celis.
Celis. Mucho gusto.
Ahí estamos.
Seem like a nice guy. All right, where to go? Where to go? Okay, guys, I'm gonna sign off for now because I'm getting really tired, and I want to get back to the hotel and